I am Pavan Kumar D, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Department of Mathematics, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar. And now I am introducing the topic of partial differentiation. Before going to the partial differentiation, what is derivative? What are the types of derivatives? The derivatives are of the form two types that are ordinary derivatives and partial derivatives. The ordinary derivatives are y is the function of x, then dy by dx is the derivative, that is the slope of the graph of the curve, or gradient, or the rate of change of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Any function which involve one variable or two variable or more than one variable. Y of x is the function of x. Here it is involve only one variable. The y of x1 comma x2. Here y function involve two variables, that are x1 and x2. Here suppose area of a triangle here of BH. Here you know the breadth and height only, then only we get the area of the triangle. Here area of the triangle as a function of two variables. Here y is equal to f of x is a function of one variable, and the graph y is equal to f of x is a curve. For functions of two variable, the notation is simply z is equal to f of x comma y, where two independent variables, that are x and y, while z is the dependent variable. Partial derivatives. Suppose z is a function of x comma y is a function of two variable. If you want to differentiate, we have to decide whether we are differentiating with respect to x or with respect to y. Here we are doing the with respect to x, that is dou z by dou x. Here that is the partial derivative of z. That means differentiating with respect to x, holding y as a constant. Similarly, dou z by dou y is written as partial derivative of z with respect to y. That is, here x is a constant. We are doing differentiating with respect to y, holding x as a constant. Here short form of the dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y is z subscript x is equal to dou z by dou x, z subscript y is equal to dou z by dou y. Now we have to find the partial derivative of some problems. Here tan inverse x plus y. Here we are taking as a z is equal to tan inverse x plus y. Here in that function, right hand side, two variables are involved, that are x and y. Here now we are differentiate with respect to x is, here two variables are involved, that is partial derivative, that is dou z by dou x is equal to the derivative of tan inverse x is, tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus of some function, that is 1 by 1 plus x plus y whole square. Again derivative of x plus y. Here y is the constant, the derivative of constant is 0, the derivative of x is 1. Therefore dou z by dou x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x plus y whole square. Similarly, A partial derivative of z with respect to y is x is the constant. Yeah, that is dou z by dou y is equal to the tan inverse derivative is 1 by 1 plus that function. Here x plus y whole square into the derivative of x is 0. Here we are doing with respect to y. Here derivative of y is 1. Here now dou z by dou y is equal to 1 by 1 plus x plus y whole square. Here second one, e power ax sin by. Here z is equal to e power ax into sin by. Here the function of x, function of y. Z involves function of x, function of y. Here dou z by dou x is, you are doing the partial derivative with respect to x. Here sin by is the constant, keep it as it is. The derivative of e power ax is e power ax and ax derivative is a. Yeah, that is dou z by dou x is equal to a into e power ax sin by. Now dou z by dou y is partial derivative with respect to y. Here e power ax is a constant, keep it as it is. The derivative of sin is cos by. That again derivative of by is b. That is dou z by dou y is equal to b into e power x cos by. The next one is z is equal to log x square plus y square. Dou z by dou x is equal to the derivative of log is 1 by x square plus y square. Again derivative of x square plus y square is, the derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of y square is, here we are doing with respect to x, y is the constant, that is 0. That is dou z by dou x is equal to 2x by x square plus y square. Similarly, dou z by dou y is equal to 1 by x square plus y square. Here again derivative of x square plus y square is, x is a constant 0, derivative of y square is 2y. Here therefore dou z by dou y is equal to 2y by x square plus y square. Here sin inverse x by y. Here the sin inverse x by y, the function of x and y are involved. Here we are doing the partial derivative with respect to x is, the sin inverse derivative is 1 by square root of 1 minus that variable. Yeah, that is 1 by square root of 1 minus x by y whole square. The derivative of x by y is, here y is the constant, keep it as it is. Here in numerator derivative of x is 1. Here that is 1 by y. You have to simplify it. In the root, y square minus x square by square root of y square. The square root of y square is y, that is goes to in numerator. Here y cancel. Therefore dou z by dou x is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Similarly, derivative of y that is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x by y whole square. The derivative of x by y. Here derivative of x by y, here x is a constant, keep it as x. The derivative of 1 by is minus 1 by y square. Here y cancel. The remaining is dou z by dou y is equal to minus x by y square root of y square minus x square. Tan inverse x by y, z is equal to tan inverse x by y. Dou z by dou x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x by y whole square. Again derivative of x by y is, the y is a constant, keep it as derivative of x is 1. Therefore dou z by dou x is equal to y by x square plus y square. Dou z by dou y is derivative of y with respect to derivative of z with respect to y is 1 by 1 plus x by y whole square. That is the tan inverse derivative. Here x is a constant, keep it as it is. Derivative of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square. Here y square cancel. The remaining is dou z by dou y is equal to minus x by x square plus y square. Here the dou z by dou y, dou z by dou x, here that are the first order partial derivative. Here again we have to derivate it. We are getting the second order partial derivatives, that are, let z is equal to f of x comma y. Here 2 times derivative is dou square z by dou x square is equal to dou square f by dou x square. That is equal to dou subscript to z xx is equal to f subscript to xx. The short notation of double derivative of the partial derivatives. Here similarly dou square z by dou y square, dou square z by dou x dou y, dou square z by dou y dou x. Here short form notations zxx, zyy, zxy, zyx. Now we have to see the one example of second order partial derivatives. Here z is a function of e power x minus y. Here first we have to do the first order, then again we have to do the derivative. We are getting the second order partial derivative. Yeah, that is dou z by dou x is equal to e power x minus y. Again derivative of x minus y whole dash is, here y is the constant, that is 1. Here derivative of y is 0. Here we are getting the dou z by dou x is equal to e power x minus y. Again we have to do the derivative with respect to x is dou by dou x of dou z by dou x is equal. Here e power x derivative is e power x. Again derivative of x minus y. Here x is the derivative 1. Y is the derivative is 0. That is the y is the constant while we are doing with respect to x. Here we are getting the dou square z by dou x square is equal to e power x minus y. Here similarly dou z by dou y is equal to e power x minus y. Again derivative of x minus y is minus 1. Here dou square z by dou y square is, we are doing the again with respect to y. Here that is dou by dou y of dou z by dou y is equal to dou by dou y of minus e power x minus y. That is equal minus of e power x minus y, derivative of x minus y whole dash. Here that is equal minus e power x minus y of 0 minus 1. We are getting the dou square z by dou y square is equal to e power x minus y.